Hello friends, I wish you all a very happy new year. In today's vlog, I have a video from a previous filming from August-September of 2025. So this was a transition phase at the studio. I had just finished my art workshops and summer camps at the studio, and I was getting back to commission artworks from my clients, and this was one of those process videos I started vlogging. I was fairly new to the idea. I wasn't even sure if I was going to finish filming this, even ever going to edit and put it together. None of it, but I just thought I should start filming, and I started working on my piece, and a little bit of filming happened, but seems like I did film a good amount of videos for this one. So I put it together, and here's what it is like. And it might be a bit choppy, it might be not so perfectly put together, but it was an attempt. It was one of the first attempts that I did for vlogging with my art process. I hope you like it. Let me show you. Ideally, this is where I plan to work on my canvas. This is my big fat table where I try to work on multiple projects. At least in the past, that's what it was meant for. But right now, I haven't really had the chance to use it because I barely did any massive or multiple artworks at once with any client or even for myself. But this is also a place where I've previously recorded all of my YouTube reviews kind of stuff for art supplies. So that is what this one is. So that's my canvas. I initially planned to put it on this and then start working, but the height is a little too much. This is good for doing multiple artworks at once instead of having too many easels or having art supplies spread all over the place. This would be ideal, but for this canvas, I have second thoughts. I'm thinking I'll move on to this particular easel right now. So I changed my mind and decided to have my canvas over here. As you can see, it just fits perfectly on the table. It's literally the size of my table. Probably an inch less, like 1 inch here and there, but it just fits perfectly here, and I think I'm gonna make the most of this setup. Yes, the height is a little too high to work with on this particular canvas, but I think I should be able to work with it, manage with it. And yes, those are all my daily needs. The mess that you see under the table, that's all the supplies that I need on a day-to-day basis with my students. That's my paper cutter, my acrylic paints, works done by students on the walls, and a lot of those things. So yeah, the table is also a bit of a storage area right now. So this is what I meant when I was thinking about how I can do. If I would be able to reach the exact center where I have to draw a few subjects with my pencil, and ideally it would have worked well with the canvas on the easel, but I think this is still pretty good because I can move around it. I can of course move my table if I need to. It's got wheels, so it works that way as well. Yeah, I think I'm pretty much done with almost like 40% of the sketch. I still have to do it on the other side, for which I'm not sure. I think I'm going to just move my table. Like, I just hope my thing doesn't fall. Like, you can see, I can move it. Yeah, I can actually move it. So that's the plan. So I plan to move it a little away. I don't need to turn it around wherever I'm standing. I'll just move around it, but I need it to be a little in the middle, in the center, so I can easily move around it. So that's the plan basically.